So we use it for a lot of very interesting utilities, but there are always games. Yesterday I think somebody gave me a game called 4 pictures, pick word. I don't know if you've done it. It's got 4 pictures, yes, you've done it. And 4 pictures, and you have to associate the word and you have to quickly fill it. Yesterday I was at Apollo Hospital for my master health checkup. So I was very, very nervous. So I was not ready to read anything serious or think about anything serious because I was checking my cholesterol level and sugar levels, you see. And today I had plenty of fruit juices and sweets. So you know the result has been very, very good. And my results are very, very ordinary. Nothing great. So when I was at Apollo, I was going through this game and I got most of the words, 30 words. I was playing it for the first time. One word I couldn't get at all. It had a little child with a mask, and then it had another person with a mask, and another man who was looking like really big, and something else. And I just couldn't get it at all. So I lost all my coins and I actually lost the game. And then I realized the word was a 4-letter word, hero, and I didn't get it. And I worked with all the heroes, from Rajnikant to Mammootty to Chiranjeevi to everyone, and I grew up with a hero in my house, but I couldn't recognize a hero. We being Tamilians, we are absolute suckers for heroes. We make heroes of everyone. We praise them and we worship them. We build temples for men, women, all sorts of heroes. But at the age of 51, I couldn't recognize the word hero because I think we're really hungry for heroes. I think this book is bringing heroes. I don't know how many heroes. I think I'm not going to reveal the suspense. There's not just one hero. I think there are going to be several heroes in the book. My association or my friendship with Dr. Durga Das's family is kind of grown from his first book to now. I came for the launch of his first book, and it was such a pleasant experience. And I accidentally bumped into his family as I was going to Dubai, and he invited me, and I went for a nice South Indian, North Indian meal, cooked beautifully by his wife and family, and Mr. Paddy was also there. And that's when we sat down and he told us about this book, and he explained the story to me. Mr. Durga Das, you won't believe it, any film personality that I met after that day, I've been narrating your story to them. Every person, of course, it started with my husband, and then it went on to my uncle Kamal, and whoever I met, I was telling them about the story, even though it was still in a manuscript phase. I think you have a Hollywood film script in your hand. That's what I think. I think it's really, really wonderful, and I'm really glad that I'm associated with his family and also with his writing. And I was happy to see, as he said, that a group of people were analyzing his writing already, which is unlike a hero, because I grew up and I live with a lot of heroes, and they don't like their work to be criticized or changed at all. Only when it goes to the audience, we try telling them they haven't come up to our level, and then we remain heroes. But you're unlike the heroes that I've met. You are a hero because you're ready to face criticism and the challenges that you will have when your work is kind of open to people. I'm glad that you had a panel, and these people have been putting in the effort. One thing I don't understand is, you're going to have a co-author for your third book from your competition. I think you can even be married to somebody, you can have a man-woman relationship with somebody for 3 months or 6 months, but to actually write with somebody, I think it deserves a lot of guts. I think he's a real hero looking up to that challenge. In the film industry, I'm revealing some secrets from the film industry. The director and producer who come together, to tell an actor like me a story, or to another music director to tell a story. They are like brothers, they are like partners, they are like two pillars of this film, absolutely. But after the release, they are not in talking terms. So when I was doing Telugu films, my producer used to say, it's a 3 months Dambhatyam. They used to say it's a 3 month or a 6 months Kalyanam, Kudumbam. So even that is possible, but co-authoring, I think I'm wishing you all the best for it, because I know how difficult it is to really think and write at the same time, because my husband and I write together, but we forgive each other because we're also living together, and when it's tough when we disagree on an idea. I go into one room and shut myself, he goes to the other room and shuts himself, and then we realize, oh, we have to live for the rest of our lives, and we come back and compromise. So writing is fantastic, writing is just superb, and people like him are really blessed, because all that they have to do is put the pen onto the paper and magic happens. Today I think there's not much of paper and pen and ink happening, but the computer and the keyboard, and the minute he sets his mind to write. I heard from his wife that he doesn't really need an atmosphere, a garden, a park, a cuckoo or a bird to actually write, because obviously in Dubai none of these things are there. So he goes and shuts himself in a small room, and I don't know whether there is AC comfort or whatever, but I saw the sea. Sea is close to his house. Maybe he looks at the ocean and is reminded of all the oceans and the seas of the world. I think that itself is inspiring enough, and he has an inspiring family and a group of friends who are ready to dissect this work and be here to support him. So I think he's a very lucky man and a happy man. So from a happy man who actually wants to give back to his state, his country, I think it's an amazing thought. That's what I really appreciated from Mr. Durgadas. He was quoting an example of our actor Shivakumar. All of you know that at this age, where two of his sons have become the MGR and Sivaji of Tamil industry, that's what they say. He can sit back, relax, and be very, very happy at home, or he can go to Coimbatore and enjoy the beautiful weather of Pollachi and Tirupur and all that. But he visits all the youngsters in Tamil Nadu, the universities, and he talks about the Kambaramayanam and all the epics of our culture. And Dr. Durgadas was saying, it's time for us to give back to where we came from, the culture that made us whoever we are. So I really appreciate that thought in Dr. Durgadas. He's really serious about giving back his wealth of knowledge to the youngsters of Tamil Nadu and the youngsters of India. I tell you, you're going to be very, very healthy, because I went to the Minneapolis, the most famous hospital, and I had taken my husband also. The doctor, what he said was, you need a physical trainer, and you need also a philosophical, spiritual trainer. But at the same time, you also have to part with your intellectual and whatever experience you have gained in your life to be healthy. It's not enough if you're a genius. If you're a genius, you're not going to be healthy. You should be a genius and a scholar who's willing to part information and your wealth of knowledge to the younger generation of the society. And that's what Mr. Durgadas has decided to do, and I really appreciate him and applaud him for it. I think he really deserves an applaud. Very few people are thinking about giving it back to the society. We're always condemning the society, whereas this man is here to really give it back to the society. And I think this book will do very, very well, because it has kind of chronicled the kind of things that the youngsters have forgotten to probably pick up on the way. Whatever they've not picked up in their school or college or the atmosphere, I think it's been kind of the fill in the blanks have been done thanks to Dr. Durgadas. And thank you very much for inviting me. He gave me 4 points. I think I don't deserve any of those 4 points at all. None of them were really valid or relevant, but I really like his intentions and I like his passion for writing, and I'm really glad to be associated with him and to be in the launch of the book. I wish the book all the very best, and I wish the people of Tamil Nadu and India all the very best, and we have to count ourselves lucky that somebody is willing to give us information coated with the interesting fiction. Thank you so much, sir.